Hi everyone, and Happy New Year to you all. Today I'm just talking about company pages, as one of the most frequently asked questions to me is how to grow your company page and get more followers. So here today are my top 20 tips for growing your company pages.